What's up, people? It's me, Tunji from Ceasar Graphix. Welcome to my layout and composition series. First, I would like to say a big thank you to my guys from the Creative Designers Forum. Among the design that was sent to me this week, I decided to pick this and then work on it. Now, but before I work on this, I would like to say one or two things about this design that made me pick this and then say, okay, I have to redesign it. I noticed the message, that's the purpose of this artwork, is missing. Now, it's talking about music festival. Now, there's nothing showing music on this. The only thing I can see here is shapes and fonts. And that is not enough for me to flow with what the design is about. Alright, now I'm putting myself in the shoe of the audience now. So when you're doing design, don't do it like you just want to satisfy yourself. Put your audience in mind. Put the people that you're trying to draw to look at this design in mind, and then add it to your design. Now, one other thing I noticed that is missing here is the layout. All right, now it's looking as if everything is shouting to me because everything looks big. All right, so these are one of the things you need to put in place. Don't make everything too big. Now, when you make things too big on your artwork, it looks as if when somebody is talking to you and the person is shouting at you. All right, main purpose, like the reason why you're doing the design, should be bigger than every other content on the design. And when everything looks too big, it gets people confused to understand the order of going through it. So try and make it simple enough for people to understand the purpose of the artwork. And one of the advice I'm going to give to you is check out the end result of the design when you're done with it. Like, for example, when you're done with the design, try put it on a bus shelter, or you put it on a billboard just to see what it's going to look, what the end result is going to look like. Try make your design simple. I'm going to work on this, and I want you guys to join me, and then let's look at what I'm about to come up with.
So let's create a new document. So I'll click on File and New. So for this project, I'm going to be using 1080 by 1080. 1080 by 1080. Okay, and I'll hit OK. I think everything is fine. Or let me just pick to no. Alright, so click OK, and this is my app already. And I'm gonna bring in the picture I got from Shutterstock, which is this. And the reason why I decided to pick this is two things. One, this is colorful, and I noticed on the artwork that we're working on, we have the designer is trying to make the background look colorful. All right, I'm a fan of colors. All right, so that's the reason why I decided to use this. And one other reason why I decided to use this is this. Now, if you look at the theme of the design, it's talking about music, and I decided to use something related to music. And really, this is not the only thing you can use. We have other things you can use to represent music. We have microphones, we have headphones, we have mixer, we have so many things. All right, but for me, this is what I think will work well for me. All right, now please, it's not compulsory you make your design look exactly like mine. All right, this is just like my own way, how I think it will look nice if I'm to do the design. Okay, so I'm going to scale this now. I'm going to click and drag down. All right, and yeah, then I'll lock the layer, then I'll create a new layer. So let's start bringing in our text. So first I'll start with the biaser. No, let's design the one. All right, so I'm gonna click here and paste. All right, and I'll use Futura. Or I'm trying to use a font that is similar, that's common. So I'll use Futura, and I'm gonna increase the size. All right, and I'll increase the size. So since this is the purpose of this artwork, so I would advise you design it. You make it look extraordinary. So I'm going to change this to white, and I'm gonna close this. Okay, and come here and I'll draw an ellipse. right here. Okay, beautiful. And we'll bring in biaser. Alright, copy. And I'll paste. I already have the words type on my notepad, so I'm just copying and pasting it in so as to save time. So this is biaser, and I'll create this. I'll highlight this and change it to white. And I have one of my favorite fonts right here. It's called Script, and I'll increase the size a little bit. I'll increase the size just a little bit. Alright. I'll align it. Align it. So I'm gonna hit Ctrl G or Command G on my keyboard to group the text together, and I'll move this here, position this here, activate this, show option, align to add board. I want this to be centralized, so I'll click. Good. And I'll bring in my next text that says Music Festival. Okay, for our first paste in music here, and I'll go back to Futura again. Make it all cap this time. So change case all cap, and bold is fine. Increase the size more, change the color to white. Okay, increase the size again. Okay, now hit enter and Control A, and I'll click here and adjust the leading. I'll push the leading up. I'm using my down arrow key to add more figures so as to push this up, and I'm going to align it to the justify to the line to left, and I'll close this. This is looking too big for me, so I'll reduce the size a little bit. Alright, okay, and I'm gonna come here and draw a square or a rectangle, sorry, not draw this here, and I'm gonna fill it with yellow. Alright, I'm gonna fill it with yellow and position this here. Here. Okay, and I'll make this 2018. Okay, I'll put this up, make sure this is central. Should it here. Okay, this is hidden behind my square, so I'll hit Ctrl Shift square bracket to push it up, and I'm going to change the color to something that will be visible on black. Alright, no, that will be visible on yellow, so I'm going to change this to black. Increase it a little bit more. Okay, still looking too big for me. Still gonna reduce a little bit more. That's right. Alright, so let's bring in our next text up. Select this and I'll paste it in. So I'll go to type, change case, uppercase, and I'll reduce the size a little bit. No, that's way too much. So I'll push this here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll change the color to, change the field to white. And just pushing this here. Push this down. Man, actually I want this. Let's see if I drag this down here. No, I don't like that. So I'll make a copy of this. Alright, okay, because I'm trying to cover this space, because if I position this here and this space is here, I don't think I like it out. So I'm going to make a copy of this. Alright, make a copy, and I'll push this up to about here. That's right. And I'll change the color to let's see, I think I like blue. Blue makes sense. Okay, so I like the blue. Line this the center. Good. Then bringing in the next text, which is this. Here's this. That's it. And I am going to change this to white also. Change this to white. Alright. Lower this the size a little bit. Keep it at the center. And the last thing. Yes. Okay. Oh no, change this to white. Change this to white. Show this here. We'll centralize it. Centralize. But this is big. I'm gonna reduce it a bit. I'm gonna reduce it a little bit because it's looking like it's fighting with this dude right here. So reduce it a bit. Nah, that's way too small. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so I think I'm gonna stop right here, but I'm still not feeling it. I'm not feeling it yet. I need to put something that shows music. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video now, so I want to see if I can get something like a sound wave online. I think that shows more of music. Okay, so I'm back. So this is what I found online. This is what I got from Google. I got this from Google. So I'm going to take out the background, I'll reduce the size, and I'll click on image trace, and I'll expand, and I'll go to object, I'll group. Okay, so I'm going to take out the white. Good. So I'm pushing this here. I'm going to fill it with white. Is it okay here? Should I just leave it here? Should I leave it here? Or should I leave it there? Okay, I'm going to leave it here. I don't know. Somebody should please say something. Is he okay here? Or okay, you know what? I'm gonna make a new artboard. So I'll click here and I'll hold on Alt and Shift and I'll drag to make a copy. Because it's looking like I'm not really feeling it. Oh, my background is not there, so I will unlock this, move this to this side, hold on Shift and drag. Okay, I'm thinking of taking it out of that place. Okay, what if we put it here? What if we put it here and I'll reduce the size a little bit, zoom in. Size. Okay. Let's show this here. Shift select. Oh, I've grouped the layers, so I'm gonna hit Object on Group. So I'll click on this again, drag it down a little bit, Shift select, and I'll trim. Go to Pathfinder and trim. Ooh, I like this. Okay. Should I just take it this away? No, I'll put it back. Okay, so I am gonna stop here. Please, if you think there's anything I miss here, please drop your comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next layout or composition series. All right. Oh, okay. Before I go, let's see what this look like on a bus shelter. Beautiful. Yeah, it looks nice. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.